have here of the PDP, Altaf Bukhari, and of course Naeem Akhtar, who has not just been the chief spokesperson but also the veteran of the PDP. And if the camera just turns left there, we'll show you that there was question marks. Will Sajjad Lone be here, not be here? Well, he is here. He's going to be part of the oath taking as well. The People's Conference, of course. Please, and his colleague Bashir is also there. Sajjad Saab, please join us here on this historic day in Jammu and Kashmir. And congratulations to all of you. Let me start with you, Naeem Saab. इस दिन का सिग्निफिकेंस, व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस? किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं था. मैं तो 20 साल से ये स्टेट को देख रही हूँ, मैंने तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि ऐसे हो सकता.
This is a big day and nobody had ever in his wildest dreams thought of this. But I think Mufti Saab and the national leadership, Modi ji, and they are on a journey, I suppose, to turn around Kashmir. You must have seen the wide range of discussions that Mufti Saab has held in Delhi. Everybody from Dr. Manmohan Singh to L.K. Advani to Sonia Gandhi and others.
So you believe this is a turning point?
We hope so. This is a turning point. This could be a meeting of minds between Jammu and Kashmir and rest of the country, which has been, in spite of the accession, been missing so far.
I want to ask you a few questions about that, but let me get first thoughts from you, Sajjad. You were among the first to meet with Mr. Narendra Modi. You said he's like my brother. That time aapko kafi galiyan mili from sections in the valley. Today, here you are, part of the Jammu and Kashmir government, PDP and BJP in partnership. How politics changes?
नहीं, साइज हमारा थोड़ा छोटा है, दिमाग थोड़ा बड़ा है.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि आपने पहले ही सोचा था कि ऐसा हो सकता है.
Look, I think it's a turning point because you see BJP represents a certain edge of the political divide in the rest of the country, and it's coming to J&K for the first time. And there's a very able leadership, and especially I will name the old leadership. The old guard is still here, and I think to negotiate this entry of BJP for the first time in J&K and strike an optimum trade-off, I think this is probably the best time.
Naeem Saab, Article 370, the PDP has got an assurance that the constitutional status will not be changed. How is this a big victory you see, or some would say PDP के लिए भी climb down है? आप self rule की बात करते थे, आज आप status quo पे आ गए.
In fact, it's part of the self-rule that we always asserted and reasserted that you can't fiddle with this. Now that the central government, the parliament has been told that this is there to stay, we have always said that whatever is available to within the constitution to Jammu and Kashmir is enough if we can use it. It's for others to demand more.
What about other ideological differences? Like after the Delhi debacle, the PDP issued a statement saying religious diversity must be maintained. Ghar wapsi जैसी जो issues हैं इनको बंद करिए. Will you continue to criticize the BJP when these issues arise?
It's not question of criticizing, but it's a question of Kashmir contributing to the national discourse.
Yes.
It's not just criticism. It's advising at the level of, I think Mufti Saab is now one of the oldest statesmen in the country. He's giving a word of advice. He'll continue to do that.
Altaf Saab, अलायंस चलेगी? सब यही पूछना चाहते हैं कि ये जो एक नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल इकट्ठे आ गए हैं, ये क्या ऑपोजिट्स अट्रैक्ट हैं कि ऑपोजिट्स रिपेल होगा eventually?
I don't have any doubt. Mufti Saab's leadership is there, so we'll give it our best. Rest we leave it to God.
You're hopeful?
Yeah, we leave it to God. Rest.
Sajjad, आपने कहा साइज छोटा है, दिमाग बड़ा है. Have you been quite upset? You've been maintaining quite a low profile all this while. We were wondering whether you'd be here or not. Now you are here.
No, it's I have been maintaining a low profile after winning. We just rested for a long time, and no, there was never any doubt that I would be here for the oath-taking ceremony. I was myself amazed at the innuendos that were being that I was reading, especially on Twitter.
Yes.
That was quite. Some of them were quite hilarious. Because
but you are going to be part of the new government.
I have no idea, but to be very honest, I'm there to support this government. Right from day one, I've said we need a stable government, and this combination, irrespective of the differences, gave some semblance of stability to a government. And then Mr. Narendra Modi, he has a development model. I can personally tell you that I was very impressed when I met him, and saw what ideas he has about development.
Since then, there have been some controversies, which I was asking Naeem Saab also about. वो RSS chief कभी Mother Teresa को question कर देते हैं, कभी घर वापसी का हो जाता है. तो is this making you a bit concerned, especially about your base in the valley? आपसे भी पूछूंगी बशीर साहब.
Perfect सिर्फ अल्लाह की जात होती है. Human beings always make mistakes, and there is always room for improvement.
But will you speak up when these issues happen? Or now in partnership with the BJP मुश्किल पड़ जाएगा.
We would all speak up when there is something, but when we want to, not when you want us to.
बशीर साहब, आज की अहमियत.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डे है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डे है. This day is a very important day for J&K so far as development is concerned.
नईम साहब, Armed Forces Special Powers Act पे आप दोनों को पूछूंगी. Have you got an assurance from the BJP that is workable, that satisfies you, Altaf साहब?
I think we are very clear about the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, and you will see for the times to come.
Have you got your way on it?
The CMP is being released in the afternoon. I think I shouldn't presume on that.
Somebody said today is about when saffron meets green. तो किसी और ने कहा ये Indian flag के colors हैं. तो इसको किस तरह से देखा जाए when saffron meets green?
Could be there's white in between. That means peace all around, and that is what is the dream of the leaders, to turn Kashmir, not just Jammu and Kashmir, but the whole region into a peaceful region for development.
So, just last question to you. As somebody who was a separatist who's now joined mainstream electoral politics, what is the message you'd give to other separatists today?
Well, I can't, obviously, it doesn't mean what I do is the best. But, I'm trying democracy, and I hope I can use this platform to speak up for all those who give a voice to all those who...
Your wife is Pakistani. How does she feel today?
I think she must be happy. Why should she be unhappy?
No, not at all. I didn't mean that at all. Is she here with you?
No. I have only Bashir Saab with me.
Okay, Sajad Lone, Bashir Saab, Naeem Akhtar, Altaf Bukhari, the four faces you see here as they're walking off to go inside for their swearing in.